A top Icmr officials told a parliamentary panel on Wednesday that phase 2 clinical trials of the two indigenously developed COVID-19 vaccine candidates have almost been completed and emergency authorization of the vaccine could be considered if the centre decides so. The meeting was chaired by senior Congress leader and Rajya Sabha MP Anand Sharma and lasted for over 4 hours. Indian Council of Medical Research Icmr Director General Balram Bhargava informed members of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on the Home Affairs that the vaccine candidates developed by the Bharat Biotech, Cadila and the Serum Institute of India are at different stages of trial, said an MP present in the meeting. The COVID-19 vaccine candidates coordinated by the Bharat Biotech and the Cadila are nearing completions of phase 2 trials. The one being handled by the Serum Institute of India and developed by the Oxford University will enter the phase 2 B trials this weekend, for which 1,700 patients have been identified at 17 centres across the country, the MP said. According to MPs who attended the meeting, when asked how long people will have to live with pandemic, Bhargava replied that normally the final trial takes about 6 to 9 months, but if the government decides, an emergency authorization could be considered. Responding to queries by the panel about the saliva tests cleared by the FDA in the US for rapid detections of the SARS-CoV-2, Bhargava informed that taking samples from the gargled water is already under considerations and further details will be available soon, according to another MP who attended the meeting. Members of the Parliamentary Committee, cutting across party lines, complimented the Icmr in particular and the medical fraternity in general for their committed role in fighting the pandemic. They appreciated the Icmr for its pioneering role in coordinating the scientific and the medical aspects of the battle against COVID-19 and appreciated AIIMS Delhi for its effective contributions as a lead mentor for hospitals across the country on various aspects of the pandemic management. The committee members expressed concerns over the stigmatization of infected people both by kin and neighbors and noted that those who have recovered from COVID-19 are not harmful, instead beneficial to the society. About the mental stress among the people due to the pandemic, Icmr agreed to the panel members' suggestions of reviewing the existing limited set of guidelines relating to the management of psychological stress, an MP in the panel said. The apex medical research body also told the committee that it may soon come out with comprehensive revised guidelines to help all the concerned to cope with the stress caused by the outbreak of the viral disease. Among the various issues raised, the panel members drew the Icmr's attention to the situation being faced by the school children in particular. As with online learning, they are required to spend long hours in front of the computers and other gadgets, which is adversely impacting their eyesight and causing psychological stress. Bureau Report.